Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to download and install Zoom on Windows 10. So let's jump into any browser and search for Zoom. Zoom is a cloud platform for video and audio conferencing. It's free with 40-minute time restrictions for, of course, free accounts. So let's jump into first result, Zoom website. And on the top right corner we will find Resources tab and select first option, Download Zoom Client. We will get a list of different versions, so the clients, some plugins, extensions for browsers, mobile apps and other kind. So let's select the first Zoom client. If you click download, it will automatically download it. When it's done, just click on the Zoom installer and it will automatically start installing. And now you are ready to join a meeting. You need to provide meeting ID or personal link name, or you need to sign in to use Zoom Cloud Meetings. So this is how it works. Hopefully it helps you and thanks for watching.